when you look around in winter, you can still see life everywhere. Coming back, getting ready for spring. This is like onion. Just biding its time. And plantain. And little clovers. And little dandelions. And just everybody is a seed right now. Don't you see all the little seeds sprouting all around you? Don't you see this stuff is just crumbling away? Don't you see that it's all just decomposing so that more life can sprout? You are loved. And nature will teach you that you are loved if you take the time to love it. What would you like to start doing? Just like decide to go sit outside, like one time. Decide to sit in the mirror and say I love you to yourself until you start to feel it. Every day if you have to, but like just if you see yourself in the mirror, be like, I love you. And just keep doing it until you like get it. Because it changes everything. For real. Everything feels way different. And then after you get used to sitting on the blanket, think about getting used to your breath and like breathing in the trees. Seeing life ready to come back. Seeing that there's more that is flowing and natural. There's no other word to say it than natural.